Hey man, I lost my $100. The last time I had it, I was with you. Where's my $100?
I don't know your $100.
Bro, what do you mean? The last time I had it, I was with you. Where's my $100?
I don't know. Go look in your house.
Bro, I looked at my house from top to bottom. Where's my $100?
I don't know.
Okay, well, give me some money.
Why would I give you money if I don't even have your money?
Bro, I'm about to jump over this table. Give me my $100.
And I ain't got your money.
Man, where you finna go? Sit right back down. We not finished with this. Now listen. Where is my $100?
Check your pocket.
Bro, don't you think I have?
Just check it.
Bro, fine. Oh, bro. Bro, my fault. Ah!